A bit of it. Jonathan and I ran on dirt too.
Justin. Bird sanctuary, Dauphin Island. Do you see any birds, Justin? Do you see any birds, Justin?
Where are we gonna place the rock?
Oh yeah, here, let me see the rock. We found this rock, and I guess we have to place it somewhere. What does it say?
DI Rock, Dauphin Island, I guess, rocks, 2000.
Alright, so I guess we got to place this somewhere, right? So we placed this rock, we found a rock, so we have to replace the rock, I guess, and put it somewhere. Nice spot though, right? Lived here 30 years, never been here. Nice forest canopy there. Stay hidden from the enemies in here. No enemies. They can't see me from above. Justin! We got a clearing coming up here. Supposedly some alligators.
Where do you see the bird?
Is that a bird? Uh-oh. You just ate it, but you're good. Let's go find the birds. You only wipe out and get better. That's good.
Wait, Justin.
Alright, this is that
Is that right or left we're going?
woolly swamp right here.
Oh, you can go up there and see too, but... Justin, wait, come here. See, I guess that's where most people go up there.
Alright, this is the end of the road. This is where the living gets treacherous. Gotta watch out for bears and leopards and lions.
Wait.
I hear there's a dragon that lives out here. His name is Pete. Or Puff. I can't remember. There's a Pete and a Puff. They're both dragons. And I hear they live here. Okay? Dragons? Justin, beware of the dragons. Dragonflies, that is.
Those darn...
Skeeter.
Hey. Here, look up. Look up. Look up.
All right. Into the great wide open.